thank you for joining us on this morning's virtual dog walk. You're out with me on Thursday the 14th of October and we have 7 of the small dogs out with us today. We're having good fun so far. We're in a place that we've not been for a long time, so the dogs are absolutely lapping it up. Stay with us to enjoy the antics. I am sure you know the pack by now, but let's introduce you to them again because we've got one newbie with us today. Right, let's start with the new boy, Alfie. Come and say hi to your new fans. Hello, buddy. You've been on a bit of a sabbatical, haven't you? And Barney, Nell, Tosca, Fern, good girl, Elsa, and Otis. That's this morning's gang. Ready to go, guys? Come on. Good boy, Barney. So in addition to having Alfie with us, which is always strange for the dogs, a new dynamic and a new playmate to have around, there's also quite a lot of work going on where we are. There's a lot of cyclists, there's a lot of volunteers, there's a lot of workies sort of sorting out bits and pieces of the park and of the infrastructure around here. So we've had to practice a lot of times just pulling into the side, waiting, allowing people to pass us, and that's something that we practice quite regularly, but I don't tend to film it because it's more tricky to do so. Last piece I did to the camera, you've maybe heard the dogs behind me a little bit more snarly than you'd be used to hearing them with me, and a bit more boisterous if you maybe caught them on either side of me. I tend to find this happens quite a lot when we get a new dog on board. Even if the new dog isn't actually involved in the sort of play or the rowdiness, it kind of upsets the equilibrium that we have. And to be honest, the best way I've found to deal with it is just to let it play out. None of it gets escalated too far that we can't reel them back in, but we just let them kind of maybe, I suppose, show off a little bit of a display of dominance and all that kind of razzmatazz. I'm not going to get into that on this video, but they're showing off their skill sets, and usually the day after or a couple of days after with that same dog again with us, it fizzles out and it's never anything more than just a bit of boisterous play. So if anyone's concerned, please don't be. It's a tried and tested method that we have. Come on now.